Hey there. Are you curious about where those affordable stuff being sold on Facebook Marketplace come from, or just how to import from China? Either way, you're in the right place, and the answer is more true than usual. Most of them are imported. Stick around and I'll break down the process for you and guide you through each step. Most experts charge money for this information, but I'm sharing it with you for free. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload the next part of this video series. Let's get started. Importing from China can be a game changer for your business. With the right knowledge, you can access affordable products like graphics cards, smartwatches, GPS trackers, Wi-Fi cameras, computer RAM, motherboards, laptops, phones, and whatever else you desire. Please note that you can ship by sea or air, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to ship by air. Most shipping agents charge per kilogram to get your goods from China to Zimbabwe. The minimum is usually 1 kilogram, and they typically charge around $20 for that. It usually takes just 15 to 20 days for your products to arrive in Zimbabwe. Imagine what you can do with just $100. You can kickstart your very own online business, or open a small cabin at your nearest business center to resell your goods for a start. Now let's dive into your import checklist to successfully buy goods from China. 1. Understand banned or illegal goods. Research the list of banned goods in your country to avoid legal issues. Verify any product-specific regulations that apply to your items. Stay updated on changes in import regulations that may affect your goods. Consult trade experts or legal advisors if you're unsure about specific items. Check for any certifications or safety standards required for legal import. 2. Partner with an import or shipping agent. Look for agents with a strong reputation and positive reviews. Verify their experience with the specific types of goods you're importing. Discuss fees and services upfront to avoid hidden costs. Ensure they have a clear understanding of customs regulations. Build a relationship for better communication and reliability. 3. Set up online transaction methods. Use secure payment platforms that offer buyer protection. Consider options like PayPal, MasterCard. Set up a business account to streamline transactions. Ensure your payment method supports international transactions. Keep a detailed record of all transactions for accounting purposes. 4. Learn about sourcing from China. Research trade shows and online platforms like Alibaba for suppliers. Check supplier credentials and ask for references. Understand cultural differences that may affect negotiations. Be aware of industry standards and practices for quality control. Consider visiting suppliers to build relationships and inspect facilities. 5. Get your shipping agent's warehouse address. Use the address for returns or issues with shipments. Confirm it's a reliable facility with good security. Ensure the address is compliant with customs requirements. Use the warehouse for consolidating shipments to save on costs. Keep contact details for quick communication regarding logistics. 6. Understand shipping, duty, and customs clearing. Familiarize yourself with different shipping methods, air, sea, etc. Calculate applicable duties and taxes based on your goods. Understand the customs documentation required for your imports. Stay informed about changes in trade agreements affecting tariffs. Work closely with your shipping agent to ensure smooth clearance. 7. Calculate total landing price. Include costs such as shipping, duties, and insurance in your calculations. Factor in local delivery charges and handling fees. Use cost per unit calculations to determine overall profitability. Keep track of currency exchange rates that may affect pricing. Review costs regularly to adjust pricing strategies accordingly. 8. Plan around holidays or festivals affecting export or shipping. Research Chinese holidays such as Chinese New Year that affect production. Anticipate potential delays during peak shopping seasons. Adjust your ordering schedule to accommodate longer lead times. Communicate with suppliers about holiday schedules. Plan marketing campaigns to align with product availability. 9. Find reliable suppliers, MOQ, insurance, branding, etc. Verify supplier ratings and customer feedback on platforms. Understand minimum order quantities, MOQ, and negotiate if necessary. Ensure suppliers can provide quality certifications and insurance. Discuss branding options and customization capabilities. Build a strong relationship to encourage better terms over time. 10. Master ordering and payment processes. Create a checklist for order placement to streamline the process. Understand the terms of payment, for example, deposit balance, before ordering. Use clear communication to avoid misunderstandings in orders. Document every step for accountability and reference. Regularly review your processes for efficiency improvements. 11. Track your dispatch. Use tracking software or services to monitor shipment status. Maintain regular communication with your shipping agent for updates. Set alerts for important shipping milestones, departure, arrival, etc. Document any delays or issues for future reference. If you think I've left something out or have additional tips, please comment below. Your insights could be featured in our next video. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into each of these steps and help you navigate the import process even better. Don't miss it. This is just an introductory video of our Buying from China to Zimbabwe video series for absolute beginners. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.